welcome to Cackle Scratch YouTube. This user, who is one of my school friends, his name is Hyperwasp. His original name is Speedrunner, but he's now Hyperwasp. In which case, he requested me to do a profile pixel tutorial, like how to do profile pixel videos. Let's get started with the tutorial. So, first you take a screenshot of the profile that you want to pixelate. In which case, for now, let's just do this for now. As an example. You can do this with other things too. It doesn't have to be a profile pixel, but this is like profile pixel. I'm just going to use this as an example. In which case, we're doing this in Canva. So you want to lengthen this part to be 1.8 seconds long. And the music you want to be playing is Evil Incoming by Kevin MacLeod. It's the best match for profile pixel. But if you want to do a different song, you can do it. But this is the best. I recommend you doing this one. Mine won't play, but it will be aligned Evil Incoming is perfectly aligned with the profile pixel thing, so I recommend it. It just has a more dramatic feel to it. But if you find others, let me know in the comments. In which case, I'm gonna then duplicate that page. By the way, you don't need to give it a title, but if you want to, you can. But I'm gonna click on your profile picture screenshot. In which case, you can use any screenshot makers. Like, you could use any website to take screenshots. You just have to be able to download it or save the image as. To save an image as or something, you click with two fingers. But anyways, want to go to edit image. In which case, you click on pixelate. And to get started, you could begin with micro. You can click on micro. Hold on, it's loading. Then click apply. And then you're going to duplicate this page again. Remember, it must be the pixelated one and not the first one. But if you do duplicate the first one, you just have to add more pixels to it. Yeah, after micro, you then just tap on pixel. In which case, I don't know how to do it on mobile. So if you use mobile, you're going to have to wait for a mobile tutorial. This is just for my computers. I'm using a Chromebook. In which case, you're going to duplicate the page. Alright? If this is going too fast for you, you can slow down the video. But after pixel, you want to tap on grain. Again, to do your profile pixel thing, you wanna make the profile picture more and we want it to get more and more pixelated. And you just duplicate the page again. You want to make sure there are 7 pages in total. Unless if you're making the intro and outro, you can go ahead and do that. But yeah, in which case you're gonna then go to pixelate again, and you're gonna then go to palette. Is it getting more and more pixelated, you guys? Well, let's see. We gotta check to make sure it's getting more and more pixelated every time rather than less pixelated. You want to be able to you want to make sure to fix any errors. In which case, if you need more information about Canva, I can do a tutorial on that. In which case, see that? Yeah, I'm getting more pixelated. Now, you want to make sure that there are 7 of these pages with the profile picture on it. In which case, you're using Canva. If you use other softwares and you know how to do profile pixel there or something like that, let me know. But I'm just not sure. Anyways, best recommended to do matrix next. Actually, no, dots. Dots is better. Yeah, I'm sorry, I goofed. But you're supposed to do, it's best recommended to do the dots thing second to last. And then, go to edit image again. And you click on pour. Look how wild it is. Want to see? Hold on, it's loading. It's loading. All right. Yeah, but that was our tutorial. In which case, if you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments. Or if you want me to do your profile pixel and I haven't done it yet, you can tell me. Oh, here's one thing. If I already done a profile pixel for you, but you change your profile picture to something else, I could still do a profile pixel for that current profile. Well, but you don't have to ask me to do profile pixel. You can do profile pixel on your own, or if you just can't for some reason, you can ask me to do it, and I am willing to. But again, Hyperwasp 843. He requested me to do a profile pixel tutorial, like how to do profile pixel. Yeah, that's what I did today, and let's watch. It's loading. Okay. It's annoying. I hate when it does that. Come on, please load. I want to watch. If it doesn't load soon, we're just restarting it, okay, guys? I'm just gonna restart the page. If your thing won't work for some reason, you could try restarting it. But once you're finished making your profile pixel, then download it. Like go up here, and then you click the download button. Won't work. Never mind. It won't play it for some reason. I'm so annoyed. I hate when it does that. You're gonna have to watch one of my other profile pixel videos. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you still need help, ask me questions in the comments. Okay? Bye.